we divide 945 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 4 and it is 44. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 5 and it is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 0. So 945 divided by 5 is 189. So this much for today and thanks for watching.